How on earth? How did this happen?
Time rewinds to 2 years ago. On a golden prairie, bathed in warm afternoon sunlight. An adolescent, curious young lion was playing with other cubs from the pride. Then, something black and round caught their attention among the bushes. It was a discarded tire, secretly dumped by humans. The cubs rolled it, pounded it, and played by sticking their heads in and out. It was fun. The young lion also repeatedly stuck his head in and out. It went in and came out easily. His curiosity grew even stronger, and this time, he decided to try putting his torso in as well. He put his front paws in first, and slowly pushed his body through. When suddenly, the tire contracted with elastic force and squeezed his torso tight. The Wyoung lion panicked and struggled to get out, but the tire only tightened more. The terrified young lion's scream-like cry echoed across the prairie. Hearing that sound, the mother lioness came running. Seeing her young one's horrific state, she immediately bit the tire with her powerful jaws.